How to fix TikTok website link not working. First and foremost, you have to check the link and verify the URL. Make sure the link is correctly formatted, such as https semicolon /www.tiktok.com/ and the username. If it is a red-handed link, expand it to confirm that it points to TikTok. But if the link is still in correct format and if you're not able to have access to that, then make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can try to switch your Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue persists. If that still does not help you, now clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, you have to open up your Chrome. Tap on three dots at the top right. There you have delete browsing data. You have to tap on that. Now select the cookies and other site data in cache, images and files, then click on delete or clear data. Now you have to restart your browser after clearing the cache and check whether now the website works properly or if that works or not. If still not, try to use a different browser. Test the TikTok link on another browser such as Edge or Firefox to determine if the issue is browser specific. Sometimes the outdated browsers may have the compatibility issue, so make sure that. If that still does not help you, again you can test the link on different devices such as your smartphone, tablet or PC to determine if the issue is device specific. And if that still does not help you, if you are using a mobile link, ensure the TikTok application is updated. In order to check that, open up Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right and in the search bar, search for TikTok and make sure the application is updated and recheck the links in the application built-in browser. And if that still does not help you, you can try to type in the link manually. So type the URL into the browser instead of directly clicking on the link. And if none of this work now, you can simply report the issue to TikTok. For that, you can go to TikTok Help Center, submit a request under the Report a Problem section with the details of the non-working link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.